Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2018, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7464. Let's give you that virtual video walk around. Showing you this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at just plain old static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dings, no dents. One of the many trucks in our humongous inventory of trucks, pre-owned, quality pre-owned, I must add. This F-150 has just over 11,000 miles, has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed on it for peace of mind driving. Take notice of the interior rear condition. It's absolutely flawless, no rips, no tears, no stains, ample legroom. And as we make our way into the front cab, you're going to see just exactly the same. Super comfortable, just like brand new. This truck qualifies for oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. Easy access to all the controls up front within arm's length. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, it's huge. Call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person, better yet, hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.